Guys, welcome to part 3 of this video. I'm going to open up this part, and it looks like it's a Ziploc, which makes it easier to open and close. Let's see what it's like on the inside. It is exactly like a championship belt, except I didn't win anything. All right. Cool enough. This one does not have any rubbery things, although this is probably rubber, that get attached to it. As you can see here, this one, it did have rubbery pads that you have to add to the thing in order for it to work. And when you're done, you just rip them off and put new ones in. These are pretty beat up, so we'll just throw that out. That's pretty disgusting, and I'm sorry you had to see that. This does not seem to have the same thing, so I'm guessing that hopefully it'll just create a shock that will get the muscles up and running.
Likey